Hello guys, a new mining video for new mining application. Today there is 5 applications that we will earn from it passive income. Simply all link will be in description. This is our first application. Simply you join the application from a link in the description. After that you will log in and complete your registration in this application. Like you see, I have $0.27. How it works: simply you click in start, you wait sometimes to end this ads. It's based in cloud mining. You have every daily limit. Like you see, you just open this application and you let open in this home page. There is levels here. It will accumulate for each level some dollars here. Like shown below, it will accumulate coins here. It's $1. This is how it works simply. If we close, you get your rewards. Let's go to our withdrawals. Like you see, this is you click in this handbag, you withdraw here, you click in withdraw. You can withdraw to PayPal, Binance, and Payeer at any chosen method you want. Simply I already, you will see my payment in this application. So there is other application I will show you in this video. Simply this is simple earning and trusted earning also. Sometimes takes some time to load. This is simply how it works for this application. You can withdraw, wait. I make withdrawal to over $3 to my Binance. Just wait and see how it's work. Simply you put your ID from Binance or PayPal or Payeer or any other method. All method of payment are in the application. You open like shown below and you let it open for maximum time daily. You have a daily limit. When you complete daily limit, you can close the application and start the other application that I will show you another now. There is this one too. It's simply like first one. This one you register from the link in the description. That will be in order. You click in play. You wait until it's done, and simply it's the same action you do like the first one. When you click in play, you let it open here to collect coins. You have daily limit here when like the first application. If we close, you are out from mining. You must let it open to mine. Like you see, like shown below, you see I mine for some seconds, I mine some dollars, shown here, like shown here. Let's wait. If we click here, like you see, for some seconds I earn $0.303. This looks second application. We wait. He takes a long time. This is for the first application. I want to show you my payment proof, and this is for this is our third application. You earn a coin by listening to a radio station. Simply you choose your radio station, you open and you listen. You let it open as well as you want. with more time, more earning coins. If you see here, I have my balance is $0.05 dollars. Payment are available for every available method in Binance, PayPal, Payeer, UPE, like you see, Ogo, Papera, every Dana, Revolt, anyone, any other application. If you return, I want to show you my payment proof, but sometimes it freezes this application. Like you see, you see two application, three application. Let's go to our third application. This collection of best application existing. Like you see, I have $0.234 dollars here. How it's work? It's streaming. You select streaming from any streaming here, and for this streaming you click play here, and you let your phone open. That's all. Simply it's based in letting your phone on. When you open here, it's streaming. Like you see, for this stream you earn $0.14 every hour. It's free earning, nothing to lose. This house work. You click here in play and you play the streaming. Here you can click in the setting and select audio only to reduce your data consumption, like shown below. If you return, I will show you something. Like you see, I earn 0.001. This for the 40 app. Let's go to other app. We have videos. This application is for videos. For this application, you watch videos. You click in watching videos. When you watch videos, you will get coins every time you watch video, and you will get huge coins for this application. All link will be in description. This is how it's work. There is a trick. I will show you a trick in this application. You must watch now how it's work. There is many ads. If we run this notification, the application will work automatically. When you run out from the application, when you want to close the application, simply you close notification here to be not borrowed from this application. This is how it's work for this one. Like shown below, we have 5 applications and 5 earning passive income. You earn for free by letting your phone open, but by listening to streams, you can just make volume off and reduce consumption of and use for free. I told you. Skip these ads. This is how it's work. Only link will be inscription. Just some seconds. I will show you payment proof. This is application to mine free USDT, 100% paying apps. no need to investment, no need anything. If you want to collect some USDT every week, you will get some USDT, not a lot, but you can collect $3 or $4 weekly. This is enough for free, using a free application, like I told you. Like shown below, this is my transaction. Like you see my transaction, or my transaction. Like you see, I already have a Binance payment, $1.15. It's 1, 2, 3, maximum $4 from this application. All link will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.